how to make musician or band website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this white button, get started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So we need a musician website or band website, so type whatever you want here. I'm gonna type musician. And here it is, bands and musicians. Best match for us. Next one, what do you want to do with your website? So basically you need to answer what's the purpose of your website. For musician, I think the best option will be collect donations, promote an event or project, so promote yourself, publish a blog or other media, so maybe publish a blog about our life and publish our songs, whatever. Build community, and I think that's all, but you can choose another one, you can choose another option. And the next one, how would you like to start building your website? So guys, you have two options how to build your website: either browse templates or build with AI. So I'm not really a big fan of AI, especially this Squarespace Blueprint AI. I prefer to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates, and I'm going to choose this one. Here you can see best template matches, or you can choose from, for example, entertainment templates here. Or for example, if you don't like any of those, you can choose, for example, another topic right here, for example, food template, and edit it how you want. So it's really easy to do, for example, from food template about musician, because you can edit it how you want. But I really like this one. I think this one is really nice, and I'm gonna choose this one. You can choose another one, Waverly. Starting from here, you can edit your template, you can change sample color presets here. So now it looks like really grayish and white. You can do it like more colorish. Now it looks like a bit funny, you know. And I'm gonna start with this design. Now we need to wait until everything loads. And by the way guys, squarespace.com is the best option to create your own website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create another website. That's why I highly recommend you trying this website. So next step, you need to create site name right here. For example, your music band is calling I don't know, just for an example. And here you can see some tips how to use this website. So we don't need to know them, because I'm gonna show you everything. So this is your website right here. You can see the name of your band, for example, here, and in this menu. First of all, you need to click this one, pages, and here you can see your pages, starting from main navigation, bio, photos, contact me, and not linked home. So you can link it to main navigation right here. You can delete some of them. You can see this bin logo, and of course you can set the things up clicking by this gear thing. So also you can change styles, themes, fonts, colors, buttons. For example, you can make it innovative. Oh wow, this looks very nice. Yeah, I like this style. I'm gonna keep this style, and by clicking this button edit, obviously you can go to edit your website. So right here you can edit almost everything. You can double click on this text and delete some of text and write another one. For example, the best band in LA performs in of course you can change this one here. You can change the placement, you can change the size, you can change the image, you can delete this one, for example. You can undo if you want, and you can double click on this image, you can replace it, you can edit it, you can change design, you can change size, or of course you can delete it and put your own image right here. Click this button here. You can upload your file from your computer, or you can select it from your library, from your Squarespace library, or you can even browse stock image. You can choose a free image from Squarespace library. For example, band. Why? No, we don't need that. This one, add image. Also, you can see how your website, every page is divided into several sections. Here you can see header section, another section right here. This is with black background, another section, and here is it, tour section right here. You can delete some of them. You can delete whole section, for example. Just click remove, and you can add new section. Click this button. You can add a blank section. You can choose from another one here. For example, I don't know, donations. Support us. You can delete this video. I think we don't need it. One-time donation. So guys, in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try this yourself, to try to explore this website. And also you can toggle to mobile view to check this out, how it will look like on mobile service. And I recommend you to click this button save as frequently as it possible, just to not lose your progress. And when you're done editing your website, click exit, and you need to subscribe to upgrade your account to make it possible to publish your website so anyone can see it. So you need to click subscribe and choose your personal plan. uh, you can have personal, business, basic, advanced, and with any of those you will be able to publish your website. And also here you can see advantages of every of those. So basically guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.